every tear. Years gone by losing cheer. Life's a maze, twist and turn. We'll find light, watch it burn. Distant call, climbing walls we might fall. Voices hushed, tears will dry. By your side we defy. Then of mine will escape. Chains that bind, crush and break. In the dark, find the spark. Through the pain, leave a mark. 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 Remember when days were clear. No more doubts, no more fear. Rise above shattered dreams. Together we chase the beams. shadow lingers all day. Loneliness begins to bloom. Broken thoughts inside my head. Empty spaces in my soul. Memories like tears are shed. Can't seem to ever feel whole. Every time you go away, a piece of me just fades to gray. Every time you leave me here, I drown alone in my own fear. Your whispers haunt my dreams at night. Cold wind blows where warmth once stayed. Chasing ghosts in pale moonlight. Loving you might make me fade. Time just drips like raindrops slow. Moments lost in endless flow. Heartbeats echoing the pain. Living seems a harsh refrain. Every time you go away, a piece of me just fades to gray. Every time you leave me here, I drown alone in my own fear. Drifting in the shadows, nowhere to go. Life's a riddle tangled like a thorn. Every step is just a lonely song, dreaming of a place where I belong. Heart is heavy, sinking like a stone. Whispers of a promise long ago, chasing echoes of a fleeting dream. Everything's not quite as it might seem. Always somewhere, never really here. Lost between the laughter and the tears. Always somewhere, shadows in the night. Searching in the darkness for the light. Fading memories of better times, scattered like the stars in endless skies. Grasping at the fragments of the past, knowing that there's nothing gonna last. Every road I take is paved with pain. Every sunset washed away by rain. Finding solace in the quiet morn. Moments where the heartache feels reborn. Always somewhere, never really here. Lost between the laughter and the tears. Always somewhere, shadows in the night. Searching in the darkness for the light. shadows in the night, searching in the darkness for the light.